How to apply for Huntington credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for Huntington Bank's credit card. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar simply type in huntington.com. Now you'll be taken to the official homepage of Huntington Bank, where in order to apply for a credit card, first of all tap on the banking option. After that, a drop-down box will appear where you'll have to tap on the option credit card. Under there, tap on compare credit card accounts and apply. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be provided all of the different credit cards provided by Huntington Bank. So simply choose the one which you want to apply for and then tap on the option apply now. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then choose one of the two different options. You can either choose automatic or you can choose manual. So once you choose the option, tap on the option get started. After that, it'll basically provide you with two different options. If you have a huntington.com username and password, tap on the option yes, but if you don't, tap on the option no. So if you tap on the option yes, you'll have to enter your username and password of your Huntington Bank's online banking account, and then once you tap on the option continue, you'll have successfully applied for Huntington Bank's credit card. But if you don't have a huntington.com username and password, simply tap on the option no, and it'll say that sorry, we couldn't complete your request, meaning you can only apply for Huntington Bank's credit card if you have a Huntington Bank's online banking account. So that was the only way on how you can apply for Huntington Bank's credit card. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.